Hey, I'm Zach McDonald, dual real estate agent with Real Property Associates. We're continuing in the questions that every home buyer should ask series, and I've got with me as a guest Dan Keller, branch manager, loan officer with Guild Mortgage, one of the best in the Seattle area, and he's going to answer our loan questions. He loves hearing that, by the way.
Love it.
The question is, How do I find the best lender?
No, I thought you just said you had the best. So how do you find the best? That's a great question. It's a big search term actually online. I get a lot of people, so I write a blog, and I get a lot of people that reach out to me, and they're like, and I ask them, hey, how are you referred? And they say, well, I just did a Google search, best mortgage broker in a certain area. And so I wish it were that simple. It's not. So if I'm stepping out of my shoes as a lender and giving you just like some friendly advice, how you can identify the best lender, I would say, for you. So there's a lot of models out there. There's people out there as we enter into this really tech-savvy era where they really don't want to sit down and meet with someone and go over their financials and really understand every step of the process, which I believe, in my opinion, this is the largest financial transaction or decision of your life.
Yep.
You should sit down with someone. You should sit down with a professional. But
Definitely.
There are some people that are like, hey, give me my app. I'm going to do Rocket Mortgage, and I'm going to boom, 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 and just do it all online. Can you do that? Yes. I don't advise it, but that's one option. The other option, like I said, is to use like a bank or a credit union where you can go in and possibly meet with someone. From an advice standpoint, you may not get what you're looking for there, but you can certainly, most people default to, hey, I bank with ABC Bank. I'm just going to go in there and talk to them about their mortgage programs. The third, and this is where I really advise my clients, listen to your realtors, because realtors know the best of the best in the area. They will advise you against using big banks and credit unions because a lack of service and agility. So possibly vet your realtor. One, make sure you're working with a great realtor like Zach, a professional real estate agent. And then two, lean on their references. They're working with people most of the time, and here's where I'll answer your question and come full circle. Someone that's local, someone that's agile in the market, meaning flexible with underwriting conditions, maybe flexible if we need a rush on an approval or a rush for loan documents to be sent to escrow. Nowadays, since Dodd-Frank, since the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau laws were passed about 3 or 4 years ago, all banks from a fee and a rate standpoint are fairly close. So going out and finding an incredible deal one place versus another doesn't necessarily exist any longer. So it comes down to more of an advice, an agility, and more of a comfort fit, much like working with any professional. That's my 2 cents on how to find the best.
Thanks again for tuning in, and thanks again for coming on and
Yep.
giving us some of your time. If you guys like Dan and you want to subscribe to his channel, we'll link it up down below. You can also find him by searching Dan Keller in YouTube. And again, of course, if you like these videos and you want to see more like this, please consider subscribing to my channel as well. Thanks for watching.